Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learned about class ID and inline attribute. For I hope you learn and enjoy a lot. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section of the previous video. Today we will learn about how to create a form in HTML. In form, we take data from user as input values from user and store in a database for the future use of data, right? We can say an HTML form is used to collect user input. The user input is often sent to a server for processing, right? So now I will show the practical example of form, right? For this I will open my editor. I will make new file, right? I will set the title of a web page. I will save the file. The syntax for creating a form is the opening and closing tag of a form, right? In between these two tags, we write form elements, right? Form is a container for different types of input elements, such as text field, checkbox, radio button, submit button, etc., right? But today I will tell you information about basic form. In basic form, I will show you on deepus.pt, right? I open this website deepus.pt. I will click on login. It shows the form, right? This is the form, right? Today I will make email field, password field, and submit button, right? In the form we have a text field, right? But before text field we will use the label so that user can know what will be the use of input text field, right? It shows the email, right? Input type text, its id will be email, name will be the email, right? Then we will have label, is the password, right? Input type, type is the password. In previous we type that text. I will tell you the difference between the text and the password right now. Password, name should be relevant according to the field, right? Here I give the label of uh, email text field. So for this, I in label I will type label for email, right? This is the attribute of label tag, right? Label for password, right? I will save it and open in a web page, right? You can say it shows the email label text field, label password text field, uh, password, but it shows in one line. I want to show in four line. Then so far the simple way is use the line break, right? I will save it and reload the page. You can say email pass text field password text field, right? Now I will show the button. For this is the button tag, right? It's opening and closing. id is the save, name is save, type, sorry, type is submit, right? I will save it and reload the page. Sorry, you can say it. It shows the save button also, right? I will give two line breaks so that it will give the space. We can make it beautiful by using CSS. I will explain you about the CSS series, right? Now I will tell you the difference between the text and the password. In email I give the type is the text, so now I will type here the email said at the rate gmail.com. It shows the text a b c d e f g h. In password I give the type password. I will give the password said, but it shows the dotted because password is always hidden, right? In input field I will give the name of the every field. If we will not give the name to the field, then the form will not submit and it will not go for the server side processing, right? For server side processing I will teach you about php, right? And the id usually we use for javascript ajax, right? I will explain you in javascript jQuery ajax series, right? I hope today you learn a lot about simple basic form of html. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.